Hello, my name is Adrienne Wallace. Today I will be exploring artificial intelligence and the future of teaching and learning, defining AI, its technological affordances and instructional benefits, the difference between adaptive and personalized learning, and how the East Baton Rouge Parish school system can leverage AI tools to enhance equity, engagement, and achievement. I'll also demonstrate how I incorporate AI using ChatGPT into my website development classroom. Let's begin with what is AI. According to the U.S. Department of Education's 2023 report, artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, refers to computer systems that are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing patterns, learning from data, solving problems, reasoning, making decisions, and even generating creative content such as text, images, or music. In simpler terms, AI enables machines to perceive, think, learn, and act, sometimes autonomously, by using data and algorithms. Technological affordances refers to what AI allows us to do that was previously difficult or impossible. AI offers a range of affordances that enhance teaching and learning. For instance, automation and assistance, tools like generative chatbots or grading assistants, reduce administrative workload. Pattern recognition, learning analytics systems identify students' misconceptions or at-risk patterns in real time. Natural learning processing, NLP, supports feedback, translation, and accessibility tools. Predictive modeling anticipates student progress and dropout risk. Generative creation enables students to produce text, images, code, and simulations in creative and ethical ways. These affordances make AI a transformative force capable of enhancing both instructional efficiency and student engagement. Instructional benefits of AI: when used ethically and intentionally, AI brings powerful benefits to education. For example, differentiated instruction. AI supports diverse learners by customizing materials for reading levels, language, and learning style. Real-time feedback. Tools can instantly identify errors or misconceptions, enabling immediate correction and deeper understanding. Enhancement engagement. Gamified AI platforms and virtual tutors sustain motivation through adaptive challenges. Teacher empowerment. AI assists with lesson planning, data analysis, and formative assessment, allowing teachers to focus on creative pedagogy and student relationships. Inclusive access. AI-powered text-to-speech, translation, and captioning tools promote accessibility for multilingual and special need learners. Lifelong learning skills. Students develop digital literacy, problem solving, and ethical awareness essential for AI-driven workforce. In essence, AI is not designed to replace teachers, but to empower them. It acts as a co-pilot, automating routine tasks, generating insights, and creating adaptive experiences that help educators provide more personalized, equitable, and effective learning for all students. Adaptive versus personalized learning. Adaptive learning is defined by SREB 2025 as a technology-driven process in which an algorithm continuously adjusts content difficulty, pacing, and sequencing based on each learner's performance data. Think of systems like Dreambox or Smart Sparrow. They adapt to how a student is responding in real time. Personalized learning, in contrast, is instruction tailored to a student's goals, interests, and context, not just performance data. It includes voice and choice. Learners may select learning paths, project topics, and modes of expression. Key difference: adaptive learning is algorithm-driven, reactive to data. Personalized learning is human-driven, proactive to learner identity and goals. Adaptive learning and personalized learning in relation to artificial intelligence. Both adaptive and personalized learning are increasingly enabled and enhanced by AI technologies. Artificial intelligence serves as the engine behind these approaches. By analyzing learner data, performance, engagement patterns, and prior interactions to detect strengths and gaps, predicting learning needs, and recommending tailored instructional resources or activities. Automating content adaptation, adjusting sequencing, pacing, and feedback in real time. Supporting intelligent tutoring systems that mimic human-like feedback and dialogue. Providing insights to instructors through dashboards and analytics for more informed, data-driven teaching. AI tools and resources for EBR school system. For East Baton Rouge Parish, several tools align with district goals for innovation and equity. Teaching and learning support. Khan Academy AI provides tutor-style Socratic questioning aligned to Louisiana standards. Quizzes AI, and CuraPod AI quickly generate practice questions, bell ringers, and formative assessments. Diffit or Magic School AI create level reading materials, IEP supports, and lesson plan scaffolds. Analytics and equity, Athena AI Coach supports teacher reflection through video analysis aligned with instructional rubrics. Schoollytics or Google Classroom Insights aggregates assignment data for targeted intervention. Microsoft Copilot for Education integrates analytics, writing feedback, and accessibility within Office 365 platforms already in use with EBR School System. Career and creativity, Canva Magic Studio, Adobe Firefly, and Scratch with AI extensions foster creativity, digital citizenship, and career-ready skills for students with website development or internet business classes. Beyond personalization, new AI-enabled learning models. Emerging from OECD Spotlight 2025 and Trends Shaping Education 2025 reports, several transformative learning modes are on the horizon. 1. Generative and creative learning. Students co-create with AI, storyboards, simulations, music, or code, blurring the line between learner and designer. Predictive and precision learning. Data dashboards forecast mastery gaps before they widen, allowing teachers to intervene early rather than remediate late. Immersive and experiential learning. Combined with XR tools, VR, AR, MR, AI can personalize virtual field trips, adaptive simulations, or real-world problem scenarios. Collaborative intelligence. Bitcom 2024 notes the shift from AI as tools to AI as a teammate. Students learn with AI, critiquing, verifying, and ethically refining outputs, cultivating critical AI literacy. Ethical and metacognitive learning. OECD urges teaching AI literacy, understanding bias, transparency, and data ethics, skills essential for digital citizenship and civic reasoning. Together, these redefine what learning means: dynamic, participatory, and human AI collaborative. Implications for EBR school system: AI can enhance equity and differentiation, automate analysis for intervention, support teacher innovation. Responsible, transparent, and human-centered implementation is key. For this demonstration, I'm using artificial intelligence to assist in writing a website code. I'll start by typing a natural language prompt into AI. I'm asking AI to write an HTML and CSS code for a responsive web page, incorporating a red CSS button and making the button a hyperlink to the Tara High School website. AI is now analyzing my request and generating complete working code in just a few seconds. This process is AI assisted because the tool uses machine language to understand my instructions and apply web design best practices and produce a structured HTML and CSS website code. Next, I'm copying the generated code into CodePen to preview how it looks. I'm going to start with the CSS code first, and we're going to copy it into CodePen into the CSS section. You're not going to see anything at this point because it's referencing a red button that we haven't created in HTML yet. So now I'm going to go back into the AI generated code and I'll copy the HTML portion of the code. Now I'm going to paste that into HTML section. Now you'll see a red button, and behind that button is a link to the Tara High website. Just like that, AI has generated the code. From here, students can modify colors, fonts, and layout elements to match their own creative vision. This is the HTML5 code that defines the content and structure of my web page. I use a paragraph element to explain the demonstration and created a button that links directly to the Tara High website. Down here is the CSS code that controls the button and appearance behavior. It styles the button with the red background color, white text, and rounded corners. When I hover over the button, it changes color slightly and enlarges. This is the hover effect created through CSS transitions. Together, this demonstration shows how AI can generate and style responsive website components efficiently. Using AI like this helps students learn website design more efficiently. It scaffolds their understanding of syntax and structure while encouraging critical thinking and creativity. This is a great way to integrate adaptive, personalized learning into a coding classroom. In conclusion, AI is not a futuristic add-on. It's an ecosystem of tools and practices that can amplify human teaching when guided by ethics and equity. Adaptive learning optimizes how students learn. Personalized learning empowers why they learn. In EBR's school system, strategic adoption, grounded by SREB's guidance and U.S. Department of Education framework, can ensure responsible innovation. The next frontier is preparing students not only to use AI, but to understand and shape it. As the U.S. Department of Education reminds us, the goal is not artificial intelligence replacing teachers, but enabling more intelligent teaching and learning. Thank you.